Hello and welcome to the good ship Kawasaki ZH2 Special Edition, and welcome to, of course, as well, big reveal, the Great British Summer. Yep, it's August and it's actually cold. Wow, ain't life a doozy? But that's not why we're here today, nor are we here to talk to you about the awesome Kawasaki, though I might slip a few things in hither and thither. But what we are here to talk to you today is about these little puppies, the RACER high-speed glove. And I tell you, these are some lovely bits of kit. I'm going to tell you why I know that, even though I've done about half a mile in them so far. And that is because my hands hurt just a teeny little bit. Now whenever I put new gloves on, I'm trying some different gloves, and my hands hurt a teeny little bit, I like that. I like gloves that take a little bit to break in. To me, that says they're built brilliantly. Whereas any glove that is meant to be a race glove like this is, but is like super duper supple from the off, yeah, let's just say my suspicions are aroused. Whee! Oh god, can't get enough of that supercharger, I tell you. But anyway, so these gloves, well, TranAm have asked me to give them a go, so that's what I'm going to do. And they are cool. I mean, they're made with Pitard's leather, which is really good. They've got kangaroo on the palm, but the one thing I really like about these is the fact that they have gone and licensed themselves some NOx protectors, i.e. on the scaphoid there, if you can see that. Now, I say there's nothing so much wrong with manufacturers doing their own bits and pieces. Obviously, they spend a lot of money developing or in tandem with partnerships, and NOx put a huge amount of research effort into the scaphoid protectors. So you do find some companies making the most of the efforts they've already put in. And I will say that I already feel way better knowing I've got these on the glove. It's good. They've got a TPU top here as well on the knuckles. I don't know, all in all, these really have the feel of a premium glove. The price is what I would say is about right for a top spec glove. And yeah, all in all, so far, so good. I have a little bit, I thought I had a little bit of trouble with the fastenings, but actually I was wrong. I just have dodgy wrists. Whee! Hi there. Morning, coming through. Whoa, that's the sun? Get out of here. It's only the flipping sun. Who ordered that? Me and my Kawasaki ZH2 SE. Although we are tootling along, being all good citizens at the moment. But I think what I'm going to do is, this is just the introduction to these gloves. I can't remember off the top of my head what sizes they come in, so maybe somebody can do some kind of sizing thing here underneath where I'm pointing. However, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to need to break them in a bit. Now, I didn't do the, like the bath trick or anything like that beforehand. These were straight out of the box. I can already feel they're just getting a little more supple. So we're about 6 or 7 miles into riding them, and they're already getting a little more supple. But I think, I think what I'll do is I'll wear these solidly for a few weeks, and then, or a couple of weeks at least, and then come back to you upon that. Woo, big road. Whoa, supercharger, woohoo! Oh man, this bike is freaking awesome. 240 kilograms of supercharged lunatic. I absolutely love it. Really terrific thing. But maybe some more tidbits. But okay, so from me and the Kawasaki and the RACER Ice Bead glove. We will check in a bit and see how I've got on with them. So, ta-ta!